Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get Frameo Back Online. So without wasting any time, just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your Frameo digital photo frame is offline, you can try the following steps. So what you can do is check your Wi-Fi connections. Tap the screen to open the menu, then go to the settings and then Wi-Fi. Ensure the correct Wi-Fi network is selected and enter the password if needed. Restart your Wi-Fi, toggle the Wi-Fi off and back on again. Move closer to the router, place the frame closer to your router to improve the signal strength. Number 2 is to restart the frame. In order to restart the frame, what you need to do is turn off the frame using the power button or unplug it, wait for 30 seconds and then power it back on. Then reconnect to Wi-Fi, follow the on-screen prompts to reconnect if needed. Check your internet connection, test your Wi-Fi, use another device, example smartphone or laptop, to check your Wi-Fi is working properly or not. You can also restart the router by unplugging your router for 30 seconds, then plugging it back for it to reconnect. Now number 4 is to update Frameo software. Check for updates, go to the settings and then software updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Once you have downloaded the update, simply restart the frame. Now you can also use factory reset if needed. Go to the settings, tap on settings, reset frame and then tap on factory reset, then set up the frame as if it were new and reconnect to the Wi-Fi. So that's a couple of things that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.